Okay, hi everyone. So today we have Nagraj from Bangalore, and we start the discussion with Nagraj. Hi Nagraj.
Hi.
So Nagraj, it's your fourth day in Artistic Soul.
Right.
So we want to know how's your experience, all that.
Yeah, I would say initially, I'm Nagraj. I'm coming from Bangalore. I'm working in one of the software company in Bangalore, and I try to explore the villages of India, trying to know the tradition, culture, and the food habits and the lifestyle of each village and how they passed. So I wanted to explore the Uttarakhand, and I came across Artistic Soul in FB in Facebook. So I approached them to volunteer for their school kids, and they gave me a form so that I filled my details and provided my ID before entering to over here. And Artistic Soul is also is a very approachable place. If you are heading towards Gupta Kashi in any public transportation, you can get down at the Beiron, and you can take the public transportation or the shared taxis to the Beiron village, and it is right way in the road only. There is no way to search or anything. It is approachable. And the day where I started my volunteering in the school, I saw the kids. They were welcoming with a smile, and then all of them with the innocent faces, and they were eager to learn the new things, and all like they are underprivileged students where they are lagging for the basic things. And the thing is, like, most of the kids, they have very good ambitions and aspirations. As you see, this Chandni, she is having aspiration of becoming a teacher, and few kids, they are interested to join for the army also, and as a police, and they wanted to serve for the nation. And if you just train them little bit, so that they'll be well accomplishing their aspiration and fulfill their dreams. So here the kids are learning all the things apart from the basic, even the culture and the tradition also. And they used to call us Guruji, and they used to do a prayer to before starting the school. And they have a very good culture and tradition, like welcoming the elders and give respecting to the elders. That is a good learnings from them. And this is also learning for us also, like day-to-day activity and other things, how to manage and how to do the studies from the students, because they are not only studying, they are doing the day-to-day work activities also. And I brought my nephews also, and they have been well have all the facility from the metro cities. I wanted them to learn the difference between how the underprivileged students in the village, how they get the education, and how we get in metro cities, because we get all the facility from start pointing from house to the school, and even the teachers for each subject, and we get all facility, tuitions, textbooks, and also all kinds of applications where you can approach even the video or YouTube or the textbook or libraries and other things. But in villages, you can see, like, many kids, they don't have even the basic things like pencil, book, pen, or the shoes, or the dresses to wear. And even they are having a huge dream to fulfill their dreams. Let's all help them to get into their dreams to fulfill. So I wish all the volunteers or whoever is willing to do a volunteering to approach Artistic Soul or any schools which are in hilly regions or underprivileged villages, where you can approach for them and try to help them. And I had a very good experience and very good learning from even from this kids in last 4 days.
And if I'm remember correctly, some of gave you the greeting card also.
Yeah, they welcomed me with handmade greeting cards, and that was very nice. And they only drawed, and they had given like welcome sir, and it was very nice. That was a innocence where the children, they welcome, and they have a very good respect towards the elders. That is the one which we have to learn from these kids than our metro city students. where they are being more targeted to studies, and then they are being targeted to score the marks and other things. But over here, even the teachers, they are trying to do their best to teach all the subjects. They are lagging of the teachers also. Only one teacher they have been having, and they are exploring with the one teacher for all the classes, and the same teacher will be teaching for all the subject. And even the students are also very good. And when I was doing mathematics or some map, Indian states and this one, I saw they had very good knowledge. And if they get a little bit trained, they'll be outstanding to the metro city students,
Okay.
I would say.
And if I'm talking about your homestay experience, would you like to share with us?
Yeah, the homestay is very close to the school also. It is a walkable distance, and the stay is very good. And whoever is interested to do meditation, yoga, or to be with the peace, this is the right place to be staying over here. And also the food wise, you will get the local foods, and which is awesome in taste, where the locally come and prepare over here. And even the maintenance within the homestay is very good, where every day it is being cleaned, and you will get time to time the meals and other things. And even it is very clean to stay over here. And also if you just walk across the stay, you can explore many places which is unknown places over here. And within the Biron village itself, you will be able to see Chandika Mandir, which is very old temple. And also if you just go across further few walk around a kilometer or something, you will see a Basu Kedar temple, which is almost like more than 1,000-year old, which has been meant like Pandavas has been constructed. And it is also said like Lord Shiva was been passing through this temple when he was been going to Kedarnath. So that is also one of the oldest temple. And if you further go, you can see many Mata Mandir, which is across the next village. And also you can see like a golden view of Chopta Hill, where in the sunset, during the sunset, you will be able to see like it is a golden outline. And just opposite to the stay, you will be able to see a very good view of all the hill. And also the clouds has been covered in the early morning and other things. And also there is a Kartikeya temple, which is very nearby, and you hardly it will take around 1.5 hours to reach over there. And the viewpoint from the particular Kartikeya hill also, it is very nice. And the people who are approaching over here to artistic soul, it is like you will be given with the multiple benefits. Not only the volunteering to the students and getting the learning from the students, and also you can explore yourself and also explore the nature. And you can do, if you are interested with the historic places, there are historic places. And if you want to explore the food, even the localates, there are many localates, and even the local sweets are there, where you can have local sweets. And if you are exploring for the trek, there are many places to explore over here. And even the water facility is very good. And if you want to learn even the agriculture, it is an agricultural land over here, where they follow the terrace farming. As you see across us, there is a terrace farming. And if you are interested to learn the plantation also, or to do help to villagers, you can come over here and visit it.
And any future tips for us, or any message for future visitors?
Yeah, I would say like whoever is interested in volunteering, or to help some of the people, or to spend your own time exploring yourself, it is the best place to come over here. And also try to give yourself a comparison how the metro city students and the village students, how they enjoy their life with their innocent smiles, and how they are eager to learn the new things. So you will be able to see like they are very, very eager to learn the new things, how to approach the elders, and how to learn this. It is very, very, very good. So I request all the volunteers and all the newcomers, or whoever is seeing this video, at least they try to attempt to come over here and see these children and spend some time with these children.
Thank you so much, Nagraj.
Thank you.
Thank you.